Coming up in this video, we're going to be talking about how to become a travel agent from home in 2022. Let's go. All right, everyone. My name is Jarrett-Jamal Davis from jarrettjamaldavis.com, and on this channel, I create videos on a weekly basis with tips and strategies that help you create an income online so you can live the lifestyle that you've always dreamed of. Now, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my new videos. So again, today we're going to be talking about how to become a travel agent from home in 2022. But I tell you what, listen, this is going to be an update to a video that I did about 3 years ago where I talked about how to become a travel agent from home. But of course, at this time, things have drastically changed. Of course, we've been through a pandemic. And at this point, we have more guidelines and things of that nature that you need to be aware of. But what I want to do today is give you an update. So if you haven't seen that video already, I'm going to link it in the description below and you can check it out after you watch this video. But today I want to give you that 2022 update on how to become a travel agent from home. So like I said, in that last video, we talked about how to choose what type of travel you want to sell, different licensing, how to actually market your business and a marketing plan that you can come up with. And also if you want to start your own travel business or do you want to join a host agency. But today I'm actually going to be talking in terms of joining a host agency. So the first thing I want to talk about is how do you choose a host agency? And listen, I know if you're watching this video, you're looking to become a travel agent. So I know at that point you're going to be going through Google, searching for different host agencies that you can join. And what I want to tell you about doing that actual research is just to make sure that you're actually looking up the companies, you're coming up with that list, you're actually going to those websites just to see what type of information that they actually offer. But one of the main tips that I want to give you is with these companies that you're looking up, make sure you go to the bbb.org because the Better Business Bureau actually vets these companies. Customers can go to that website, they can put up complaints if they didn't have the best service with this company. And it also gives that company the chance to see what the complaints are and see if they can rectify with the customer. So definitely check out the Better Business Bureau's website when you're vetting these companies. Now, the next thing that you want to actually look at when you're doing your research on a host agency is to see how long they've actually been in business. Because when you're looking at a legitimate host agency, you want to see, have they been around a while? How have they maintained? Were they actually able to make it through the pandemic? You see, because a host agency that I'm actually affiliated with has been in business for over 30 years. And see, what you're looking for is stability. Stability in a company to really see, are they going to be around? Are they going to be able to make it through the different changes that are going on in the world? Now, another thing you want to look at is the fees. Because listen, if you want to become a travel agent from home, you want to make sure that you're making the right decision financially for yourself. Some of these travel agencies can cost $500 up to $10,000 or more. So you definitely want to do your research to see if this is going to fit within your budget, because that is a major thing. So definitely when you're looking at these companies, and I want you to understand that, listen, it doesn't take you taking out a loan to start a travel business from home. So definitely make sure you do your research in that department. Now, another thing that you actually want to look at is what type of training will you get from this host agency when you start working from home? Because again, not only do you love travel, not only do you take these vacations, you still want to know how to market your business in a professional way. You still want to know how to take care of your clients in a professional way. So when you're vetting these companies, you want to look at what type of training do they actually offer. Is it online? Is it in person? Am I able to get certifications so I can book specific trips? Because everybody doesn't want to book the same type of vacations, but you still want to do your research to see, do they give you the options that you are actually looking for? Now, another thing a lot of people like to ask is where and how will I actually get customers? Does a host agency provide us with customers? And I'm going to answer that question and say no. Most host agencies don't provide you with those customers or clients, but what they will do is they will actually train you on how to market your travel business and how to market your travel deals so you can then in turn bring in the clients. And I want you to understand, you don't want any company to just give you leads. Why? Because these are not always the most efficient leads. These could be just people just coming in from anywhere. But when you're out there marketing deals and you're marketing your travel business, you know that the client is familiar with you and you're going to have a better chance of actually booking a vacation with this client. Now, another thing people are going to ask is, how do I make money as a travel agent? And I want you to understand that you're going to be earning commission from these vacation sales. You do have to understand that there is commission built into every booking that you like, every vacation, every plane, every cruise, every vacation that you've taken this far, there is a commission built into that. So travel agents don't have to add money on top of that. Now, do some of them do that? Yes, some of them charge service fees and things of that nature. But for the most part, the commission is already built into the price. So it's not like you have to charge your client more money. But that's how travel agents earn their money. They earn it from commissions. Now, more experienced agents actually have learned how to earn commissions from their vacations and also becoming affiliates and actually selling their clients t-shirts, merch, different things that they can bring on their vacation, such as suntan lotion, all kind of different things. But again, you'll learn that stuff when you actually become a travel agent, and you'll figure out different ways on how you can make additional income with the vacations that you're already booking. And last but not least, you're going to be looking at, how do I get started? How do I get started with a host agency? After I've taken the time to do the research on these companies, I've found the company that I actually want to join. How do I get started? Is that process simple? Again, like I say, you want to look at these different things because, again, at the end of the day, it's travel. We all love to travel. We all love to take vacations. And as things start opening back up, as these mandates start to drop, a lot of people have been inside for at least a year, if not two, working from home and things of that nature, and they're ready to start traveling. There are people already starting to take vacations. Heck, me, myself, in the next couple of weeks, I'm going on a vacation. So definitely, this right here is for those people who actually want to be a travel agent. Why? Because they love planning and researching these vacations. So this is a great option for them. You can definitely look at becoming a travel agent if you're detail oriented. But another person I would say this is for is someone who just loves learning about different cultures and traveling different places. Again, because when you think about your clients, they're going to come to you with all kind of different questions about different places. And listen, you don't have to have been to every place in the world to become a travel agent. A lot of things that we do involve research. And even if you don't know the answer, that's why you have a community of travel agents. They'll be able to help you out with some things that you may not be familiar with. And we surround all of our agents in our community. So another thing you want to look at when you're looking at, is this really for you? Is, some people look at this as like maybe a dream job. Do you want to work from home? Do you want to set your own hours? I want you to think about that. Do you enjoy working with people? Because being a travel agent, this is a people business. And if you don't like working with people, this is not for you. You're not going to have success because this is what this is based upon. And I want you to understand, if you get excited about booking vacations, if you get excited about doing that research and helping your clients find the best locations or the best activities that they can do on their vacation, this is definitely for you. But I want you to understand, as a travel agent, when you become a travel agent, you are going to get the training. So you're going to be more knowledgeable about the destinations and vacations that you're going to be booking. You're going to be able to help your family and friends. And even if it's not your family and friends, you're going to be able to learn how to get clients and help them with their vacations. And listen, as a travel agent, you can work from home or you can work from anywhere. Right now, you see me shooting this video for you. I can work from anywhere as a travel agent. So, that's going to be what I have today about how you can actually become a travel agent from home. But listen, if you want more information on the host agency that I work with, go ahead and click that link in the description below so you can learn how to become a travel agent from home. And if you have any questions when you look at that information, listen, it's just a free video to help you do your research. But if you have any questions, I'll leave some links below the video so you can reach out to me directly, whether that's through email or social media, and I'll answer any questions that you may have. But other than that, I hope you take care, take charge, and have an amazing day on purpose. Why? Because you deserve it.